Hello everyone. Our topic for today is On Killing a Tree by G. Patel. So let us discuss the poem line by line. It takes much time to kill a tree. Not a simple jab of knife will do it. So here the poet is trying to say that killing of a tree is not a simple job and you cannot just do it with just one stroke of knife. So here the word jab means sudden rough blow. So here the poet is trying to say that you cannot just cut the tree with a rough blow of knife. Now let's read further. It has grown, slowly consuming the earth, rising out of it, feeding upon its crust, absorbing years of sunlight, air, water. Now, the poet says the plant has taken nutrients and minerals from the soil and has taken years of sunlight, air, and water to grow into a big tree, and out of its leprous hide sprouting leaves. So, the word leprous hide means discolored bark, and from the discolored bark or strong trunk, leaves sprout. Now let's read further. So hack and chop, but this alone won't do it. Not so much pain will do it. So now the poet says, so hack and chop. The word hack means cut roughly by striking heavy blows. So no matter how much you hack or chop it, but this alone is not going to help. It won't be able to cause much pain. Now let's read further. The bleeding bark will heal, and from close to the ground will rise curled green twigs, miniature balls, which, if unchecked, will expand again to former size. So now the poet says, from wherever you will cut the tree, that bark, that bleeding bark will heal just like we humans do, and from close to the ground will rise curled green twigs, and again green twigs will grow. Miniature balls, that means mini plants will grow. They can grow back again to the size they were before. No, the root is to be pulled out of the anchoring earth. It is to be roped, tied, and pulled out, snapped out, or pulled out entirely. Now the poet says, if you want to really kill that tree, you have to pull out the root from the earth which is holding it tightly. You have to tie it with a rope and then you have to pull it out from the earth. So here the word anchoring means trees are held securely with the help of roots in the earth. So this is anchoring, and the word snap means chopped out. Now let's read further. And the strength of the tree exposed, the source white and wet, the most sensitive hidden for years inside the earth. Now the poet is talking about the roots, the white and wet roots, which is the most sensitive part of the tree, which was hidden inside the earth for years and years, and it was the strength of the tree which is exposed, which has come out. Then the matter of scorching and choking in sun and air, browning, hardening, twisting, withering, and then it is done. Now the poet is talking that after being uprooted, the tree will gradually and slowly wither and dry up with the action of sun and wind, and the trunk or the tree will become brown and harden, and that's how it will die. So here the word scorching and choking means the drying up of the tree after being uprooted.